Hello friends, I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information Channel episode number 26, and today I will talk about another informative source which is known as a Google Scholar Profiling System or Google Scholar Matrix, which will be very helpful for the researcher, scholar, faculty member and those who are interested in the metrics or citation management. Google Scholar Profile is a worldwide access or to your publication and research item. Google Scholar has 4 important features. Through this feature, you can get more impact of your publication. Number 1, you can add manually or automatically your publication on your Google Scholar profile. Number 2, through Google Scholar profile, your publication automatically get the citation count and there is no need for the citation. Number 3, your H-index score is also managed by the Google Scholar profiling system. And number 4, Google Scholar is also manage your I-10 index of your publication. Through the Google Scholar account, researcher from your own field or subfield can view your profile and read your publication and take the advantage of your publication. They can cite your publication. So all the field expert, subjects expert profile is available on Google Scholar and they manage their profile on this scholarly networking site. Now let's move to the tutorial how Google Scholar profiling system is working.
On address bar, just you have to write down the address scholar.google.com and manage. If you have an Gmail account, you can easily sign in Google Scholar. On the top right, there is a sign in option. Just put up your Gmail account and password. You will be logged into Google Scholar profiling system. In this case, I am using my Gmail account ID and password to log in the Google Scholar account. I have already signed in the Google Scholar account. You can see my picture on the top right. On the top left, you can see the two toolbars. One is known as My Profile and other is called My Library. Now we will go to the My Profile and explore the feature of the Google Scholar profiling system. In this profile, you can see that the different publication, their citation count and the year of publication. If you want to add any article in this profile, you have to just click the add button and there are 3 options: add article group, add article and add article manually. We will go to the add article and through this we can add article from online sources, journals and databases where your article is exist. Similarly, you can add your article manually, putting your bibliographical information like title, authors, year of publication, publisher and other respective information. In this profiling system, you can find there are 2 types of arrangement. You can arrange the article by the citation wise, or you can also arrange the article by the year of publication. Another advantage of the Google Scholar profiling system, you can also view of the different author and scholar profile and their metrics. Another important characteristics of Google Scholar is that Google Scholar is also manage the total citation count of your all publication as well as H-index and I-10 index. Google Scholar is also represent your 5-year citation metric in a graphical shapes. We will discuss H index, I-10 index and G index in detail in any other episode soon.
I hope researcher, faculty member or scholars who doesn't have account on the Google Scholar, they will create account on the Google Scholar and manage their profile and share their publication with a scholarly world and visible their research work on this scholarly platform. I hope you will enjoy this video. We will back soon with another informative source soon. Stay tuned with the 5 Minutes Information channel. Please don't forget like, comment and subscribe on my videos.